This over here is the 2020 Hyundai Tucson N-Sport, the 2.0 liter CRDi automatic. And it's available at Auto World Vonderboom South, Pretoria. Why must I buy this car? You ask yourself. Well, let me tell you why. It's vibrant, it's beautiful, it's aggressive. This kind of SUV, you can take it on a trek on a weekend, you can take it to work Monday to Friday, you can even go on a long distance journey over the holidays. This SUV comes fully loaded with the following features: 6 airbags for your safety, keyless entry and stop start button, cruise control, air conditioning, Bluetooth and USB port, navigation system, panoramic sunroof, auto on and off lights, and reverse camera with PDC. For more on this car, please call us at 060-042-0502 or come chat with us at 864 Steve Biko Road, Vonderboom South, Pretoria.